Hey everybody, this is Pete. We're going to do some skiing with Pete. We're at Snowbasin and we're going to ride the brand new DeMoisy Express lift. 6-seater. Just installed, brand new for this season. It's a Leitner-Poma lift. And here we go. Okay. You can see how beautiful Snowbasin is on this December 31st of 2023, the last day of the year. So that building over there is the strawberry lift, strawberry gondola. It goes up kind of higher than this lift. So it's been here before. It's a good one to catch on a powder day. By the way, Snowbasin is a wonderful place to come on a powder day. They have so much powder here. It's so much fun, actually. But no powder today. Today is mostly groomers. Here at Snowbasin. And Snowbasin is in Ogden. It's about 45 minutes to an hour north of Salt Lake. It's on the Icon Pass. Yeah, but I think you have to have the base plus or the full pass. I don't think you could be on the base pass alone. I forget how many days. I think it's 7 days. I have the full pass, 7 days, probably. As you can see, these hills here are awesome when they're full of powder. So we're gonna have to come back to Snowbasin. The Olympics were in Snowbasin, actually, many years ago. Here, the Olympics might come back to Salt Lake 10 years from now. Snowbasin is 100% open today. All the lifts are open, that is. But as you can see all these hills, yeah, it would be a powder dream if it was snowing like it's been in the past when I've been here. But not today. Today it's a bluebird day. Beautiful, not a single cloud in the sky. It's not too cold today either. It is colder as you get up higher, but I believe the weather report said it was going to be 39 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a little bit above freezing centigrade, a couple degrees probably. Put in the comments if you know what it is. Yeah, so we're going up the new DeMoisy lift. And one thing you can notice is that the towers here, this one's a solid tower with no change in gauge, but as we get up higher, the towers do change. They're not all the same, actually. Again, this is the strawberry area, and you're skiing with Pete here at Snowbasin in Utah on the 31st of December, 2023. Oh, and if you like my videos, please click the like button and subscribe, and that'd be very much appreciated. I've got lots of skiing videos today. I think today is my day 12, I want to say, or 13. I gotta check, something like that, of the season. Last season I hit 51 days. It was pretty cool. I don't know if we're gonna get a season like last season again, but hopefully we'll get a snowy, powdery spring. See all this? This will all be covered in with awesome powder. You see the hills here? Yeah, so when the powder comes, there's just one hill after the other that's just full of powder. You don't have to stay in the groomer. In fact, you can't even find the groomer. When it's all covered with powder, you can't even find the groomer. They have up top, if you take the strawberry gondola, they have signs next to the marked with like green lines that you could use to find your way down when the visibility is really bad. So again, we're here at Snowbasin. And if you like my video, click like or subscribe. This is the fork of the road here if you want to return back to the base area. This strawberry is kind of It's almost like a second mountain. It's over in a different area of the resort. And they did add a new food option at the bottom. There's some chicken, big fingers, it looks like, and some soup too. It looked like they had tomato and potato soup. Okay, it's definitely freezing up here. It is cold. Yeah, there, you know, it looks like there's a lot of people here, but there really isn't. There's really no waiting. Lines are really quick, at least for singles. There might be a little bit of wait for groups. It's getting colder. My hands are freezing up here, but we're getting near the top. And like here, I was saying earlier with the towers, you see how this tower, it's actually two different gauges, two different diameters, the bottom and the top. Again, look at this giant valley here. It would be awesome if it was all covered in powder. But you know, I probably wouldn't be able to film this because the visibility would be bad. But like you could take the strawberry gondola and go up to the top up there, and it's pretty much a groomer from the top. Or there's a trail that takes you back. Okay. Right, see, you go that way if you want to get to the other side of the resort, get back to the base where you parked and stuff like that. Alrighty, here we go. We're coming up on the end of our skiing with Pete.